Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom house for sale located in Gazeland, St. Elizabeth. The land area of this house is 11,100 square feet. This is a single-story bungalow and a large fruited yard. Mature trees include robin and red skin mango, sweetsap, guinep, banana, and ackee. There are 2 catchment water tanks, a garage with shutter. House is grilled and property is fully fenced, which makes it secure and ready for you to move in. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 17.5 million or US $113.7 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.